If you've lost access to your Steam account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Steam support page. Go to the official Steam support website. Look for the option that says I can't access my account to start the recovery process. Step 2. Select your account type. Choose the type of account you are trying to recover. This could be a Steam account linked to an email address, phone number, or other identifiers. Make sure to select the correct option to proceed. Step 3. Provide account information. Enter any information you can remember about your account, such as your account name, email address, or phone number. This will help Steam verify your identity and locate your account. Step 4. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when creating your account. This may include questions about your recent purchases or friends on Steam. Providing accurate answers will aid in the recovery process. Step 5. Submit a support request. If you still cannot access your account, submit a support request. Explain your situation in detail, including any information you have about your account. Steam support will review your request and assist you further. Once you've completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for a response from Steam support. They will guide you through the next steps to regain access to your account.